If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and let's get into it. These are 10 facts about bunnies. Number 1. Bunnies can live up to 10 years old and naturally live in groups. Number 2. Baby bunnies are actually called kittens or are often referred to as kits. Number 3. Bunnies can often eat their own droppings, which are called CECOTROPES. They actually contain a lot of essential nutrients. Number 4. They have their own personalities and can often get bored or depressed. Number 5. It is thought that bunny tails are white to confuse predators that chase them. Number 6. Bunnies can actually get grumpy if you invade their living space and will grunt at you. Number 7. Bunnies will purr and binky when they are happy, and binky is like a weird jump followed by a spin. Number 8. Bunnies are not the same species as hares, but bunnies and rabbits are the same thing. Number 9. In the wild, rabbits will burrow. These are called warrens and can often house over 400 rabbits in some cases. Number 10. There are over 30 species around the world in a variety of environments. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe for more, and I hope to see you in the future. Bye!